In this tutorial, we'll be talking about a feature on ChatGPT called projects. So I'm going to show you guys how to create one and also show you guys the importance of having this on your ChatGPT for mobile and also for PC. Simple and easy. So now to create one, we just tap on the new project here. You can see I already have project here. So let's give the project a name. So let's say health. Yeah, so we select health here and then we proceed to creating a project. So now we have our project created. So these are the things you can do with the project. So now tap on the three dots here. You can do same on a mobile phone. Come to instructions. So unlike the normal chat you have on ChatGPT, when you create a project, you can give the project instructions. Thus, ChatGPT is going to follow the instructions to answer every question in that project. You get it? So this is for health. So let's say dark. 6.7 feet, blah, blah, blah. I have diabetes. I have this. I have that. You write everything here. You get it. After that, you save it. So it will be an instruction ChatGPT is going to follow anytime you ask a question here. Now let's move to the project settings. Here you can, change the name, the icons and the rest here. Simple as that. So you can also add files too as well. So now let me come here to show you guys. So this is something for my YouTube channel. So you can see this is my YouTube data. Good. So this is my traffic source and the rest here. So anytime I ask a question about my YouTube channel, ChatGPT is going to glance through this data and create an answer for me. I also have this here. You can see instructions here too as well. Simple as that. So anytime a question is being asked, ChatGPT glance through this and also glance through my instructions and give me tailored answers that are for me, that is going to help me grow my channel. Simple as that. It's very much simple and easy to use. And also one important thing about this project thing is you can see all the questions I've asked here. ChatGPT is going to remember all of them. You get it? So I can open a new chat here and then ask a question or continue a chat I started here, something like that. But when it comes to the normal chat, you can do that here. Chat here, you can just come here and then ask ChatGPT the question you asked here. It's going to tell you it doesn't have, the memory to keep this type of convos. That's why they came about with this here. That's it about projects on ChatGPT. If you are new here, you just give me a like and subscribe to my channel. I also have tutorials on how you can create a group and all that on ChatGPT. You can check that on my channel. If you are new here, you give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Peace.